Hi, this is Michelle from WoollyRhinoCrafts, and this video will show you how to use a whip stitch to attach Claptrap's side flaps above his arms on his side panels. You can see I've got this finished side flap here, and this is where it goes. Whip stitch is really easy. It just goes right over the black down the side panel. Whip stitch, you insert into the back through the front or front through the back, whichever, but you loop it over and always insert it from the same side. It's used a lot for joining parts. It's really easy. It's great for this piece on the edge. I wanted this flap to kind of flap like a flap, and whip stitch along the edge creates that effect. You want to work it really tight so that it's like it has hinges. And of course, check the description below for pertinent links, including links to purchase the full Claptrap pattern. And when you're done, you want to end the stitch, end your whip stitch on the back side. Look at it flapping, amazing. But insert your needle back through so you can tie it off and hide the tail. Like so. I'm out of frame again, I'm so sorry. But that's all there is to attaching these with whip stitch. Check it out. Check out this flap. Amazing. Thanks to whip stitch. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Goodbye.